Hi everybody, and welcome to this 2-minute techie tip on how to initiate a blogger blog. And remember that our goal is to create personalized learning environments and to improve teacher productivity and enhance student learning by focusing on the communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking skills in our classroom. So let's get to it. I'm logged into Google domain and I can see my app grid here. And if I tap on that, I have my general domain apps, but I have a more button, and because I'm logged in, I have a blogger blog app. So I'm going to click on that. And because Google owns Blogger, it will say, oh, yep, we want to pair you. So it will create your Blogger login based on your Google login. So they really are a happy, nice little family. So when you get to this page, you're just going to continue with a limited blogger profile, all right, because essentially we already have a Google profile. So we're going to create a limited Google profile. And then here, my first step is my display name. And most people, let's think of this as um, what would your students call you, or what would your parents call you, that kind of a thing. So you're not going to have you can certainly have first and last name as a staff member, but you're not going to have a nickname or something like that. So that's all I need here, my display name, and this can be changed. Continue to Blogger. We're going to click on that button. And here, so I just gave myself a profile. So within Blogger, I could have, for different purposes, I could have 20 blogs, I could have 50 blogs, I could have 3 blogs, depending on what I want to do with them. Personal, classroom, I don't know if that really makes sense why I'd want to have in a classroom more than one, but this gives you the options. So this is just going to list all my blogs. Ignore all of this. This kind of will give you information about blogging. And here I have my username over here. So I have a blogger profile, but I don't have a blog yet. I'm going to create a new blog, and here's where our business comes in. Um, we want to give our blog a title. I can change this, but make it creative as opposed to, fifth grade blog. Make it something unique. Love to write, something like that. All right, and then here you can have anything that you want. Maybe have your classroom help you, or what is it that you really want to focus on. So I'm going to get my address. This is critical, and this I cannot change. And this also has to be unique around the world. So this is the URL. This is the address, just like my URL to the page that I'm on is here. I have to create a unique URL or address for my blog. So if I wanted to use LC love to write, and notice when I'm doing my address or my URL, no capitals, no spaces. And then it will say that this blog address is available. So you might have something that it says, sorry, this is taken. You need to try something else so that it says this blog address is available. So really my URL, I can already tell, is lclovetowrite.blogspot.com. So it's giving it to you right here. You can also get that from other locations. You only have a couple other little choices. You can choose a template from like 6, 7 templates, but you can do great customization later. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to create my blog. Excuse me. And here's my Love to Write blog. And again, if I have 5 blogs, they're all going to be listed here. My pencil tool or orange button always tells me that I can post. So welcome to my blog, and really I should have a capital letter at least for here. And I'm just gonna say hello world. and I'm going to publish that. Of course, I can use my tools here to add images and different things, but I will say, please can get the Blogger app on your iPad because it really is, especially for students, far more streamlined. And you're just going to log in using this, your Google profile, your Google login. All right. So I'm going to publish that, my first post, and publish. There we go. We can view my blog, and bam, I'm done. And of course, now here, if I want to get back to my dashboard, which is all of my tools, I'm going to click on the design button. And here I am. Here are the areas that the layout, I can change things, settings. This is important to talk about this. And I will do a follow-up tutorial on like the dashboard. Let's see, what are these tools? All right, so here, but again, I can post a new post, I can view my blog, and here I can customize and change any of the fonts, colors, anything like that. So there you go. That was our screencast on just initiating a Blogger blog. And remember that with technology, we can remove the limitations of the traditional classroom and advance the way we teach and learn. Thanks for listening.